magical, magnificent, and out of this world. In this picturesque Indian Ocean island, the sea and the sun spin a magic web, attracting honeymooners and tourists in millions. And yes, the spirit and sounds of India are resonant all over this country. The intimate ties between India and Mauritius are reflected in the National Day of Mauritius on March 12, which celebrates the launch of the Salt Satyagraha by Mahatma Gandhi 85 years ago. This year, Mauritius will have a special guest on its National Day, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This will be Mr. Modi's first trip to the strategically located island nation and will focus on a host of interlinked issues, including trade and investment, anti-piracy operations, maritime security, and the joint development of blue economy. Mauritius' importance to the new Indian government's foreign policy was more than clear, as Prime Minister Navin Chandra Ramgoolam was the only non-SAARC leader to be invited for the swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Modi in New Delhi in May 2014. Mr. Modi's maiden visit to the island nation will underscore close ties with Mauritius, where 68% are people of Indian origin. It all started way back on November 2, 1834, when the first batch of Indian labourers arrived in the island country to work on sugar plantations. Mauritius now celebrates November 2 every year as the Apurvasi Divas.
My name is Sugita Chaturgun Royer and I'm from Mauritius. My great-grandparents came from Bihar. There was no indigenous people in Mauritius. I think this is what saved us as being indentured and being people from Pramasi, that we were able to create a country.
Over the years, India's relations with Mauritius have diversified to include just about every arena, with business bonding becoming stronger by the day. India is Mauritius' largest trading partner, and Mauritius has been the single largest source of FDI into India. Development partnership is growing, with India extending several lines of credit to Mauritius for infrastructure, skills development, and capacity building. Some prominent India-assisted projects in the island country include the Cyber Tower, the Swami Vivekananda International Conference Center, and Mahatma Gandhi Institute. Call it cultural alchemy if you like. The Mahatma Gandhi Institute and the Rabindranath Tagore Institute in Mauritius are beacons of Indian culture and deep spiritual connections between the two countries. India is a preferred destination for thousands of Mauritian students dreaming of better prospects in life.
We have preserved the Bhojpuri songs that our ancestors brought from in different parts of Bihar and UP, and these have been preserved intact, like the songs that are sung on the occasion of marriage. One of these songs I can sing for you, which we created. कलकत्ता से छूटल जहाज ओवरिया धीरे चलो धीरे चलो धीरे चलो धीरे चलो धीरे चलो.
From Indian languages like Hindi and Bhojpuri to Hindustani music, Kathak, Tabla and Yoga, Indians and Mauritians know how to speak, sing and dance together. With such organic cultural links and a growing convergence of strategic and business interests, the relations between India and Mauritius can only become stronger and deeper in the days to come.